A Randsequence grammar composed of one or more productions, and each production consists a name and list of production item. So in this example, so Randsequence is a keyword, and within the bracket I'm giving the first production name. So here main is a first production name. So we'll go through them one by one. So each production item consists of a name and a list of production items. And the production items are again classified into terminals and non-terminals. A non-terminal terminal production item is one which consists of other terminal production items and other non-terminal production items. And a terminal is an individual item that needs no further definition or that terminates that particular block. So come back to this example. As I said, the main is the first production item, and here it consists of many productions. Main, first, seconds, are done, add, all these are productions. Now we will examine each productions. So you can see the run sequence. First we had given the main production, so this should be always true. You should give the same production again, then only it will come here. In the main production, again 3 other productions are listed, so first, second and done. So I have used a color coding for your easy understanding. And look at the first production, or the production named as first. So here you can see it's again listing 2 different productions named add and duck. But you might have seen an OR symbol in between. So when an OR symbol is added, it will make a random selection between the production listed. So a single production can contain multiple production lists separated by a OR symbol. When it is added, you will choose a random selection between them. So coming back to the examples, the first is saying a choice between the productions add and duck. The second is a choice between pop and push, and the production name done is a terminal. You can see there is no choice or there is no further branching here. It will just display a done and it's terminating here, or this is a terminal. And again coming back to this production named add, again you can see it's just a terminal. There is no further branching here, so it's called a terminal. It will just display an add. So in the same way, the production named dick, pop, push will just display some indicative words like add, duck, push and pop. Now you are going to see what this whole run sequence will result into. So the above grammar leads to one of the following possible outcomes. So you can see when it is starting from here, the run sequence will start with the production main. The main is saying execute first, execute second and execute done. So again in the execute first production, it's a choice between add and dig. So you can see, assume this is a sequence generated. When coming to main, it will come to first, and if it is selecting add, so here in the first production it's a selection between add and duck. So if it is selecting add, the add will display an add statement, so it will be printed. And again it will go back to the production second, and as second is a choice between pop and push, it will select one of them. So if it is choosing pop, it will display pop, and after that again it will go back to the third one, or it's named as done. So it will come back to the done production and it will just display done. So it will exit the run sequence. Now in the second probability, or in some other runs, if this might happen, say it is first coming to first, and if it is again choosing add, again it will go back to second, and say second is choosing push, and then it will display done. So add, push, pop, done, or add, push, done are two possibilities. And again in a different run, it can go in a different way. Say if after coming to the first, if it is selecting duck first, then it will be printing duck. Then the random sequence will follow, like duck, pop, done, or duck, push, done. Now again, if it is so confusing for you, you can leave all the technical terms like production and all. You can just follow a simple rule. If there is no or choice, there is no or symbol between this individual names, you can say, it will just follow the sequence, and if there is an or choice, either of one will be selected. So you can use the plain language to generate or understand the run sequence statement here.